Well, happy 4th of July, y'all. Hope you're having a great day. Well, what better ticket to play on 4th of July than the Explosión de Dinero? And since it is July the 4th, we're going to play 4 of these today. All right, so I've got this one from a Kroger, and it's ticket number 1. And then I've got one from a Love Station vending machine and 2 from a 7-Eleven. So let's see how we can do on these tickets today. See if we can't find an explosion of money. All right, this is from the Love Station. Looking for 2 matching symbols up here. All right, what do we got? Cherry and a heart, dice and a strawberry, and bolt and a lemon. All right, match and win, and 5 times and 10 times. All right, we got 31, 43, 32, 40, and a 3. 20, 21, 24, 4. I like to see that multiplier again, or that manual win all would be pretty nice. 42, close. 28, 44, 25, 7, 38, 19, 33, and a 16. All right, so nothing on that one. Let's go over to, this was at the Kroger because it was actually, they loaded it backwards. That was the last one in the pack. All right. All right, nothing up there. All right, 40, 33, 15, 41, and a 12. 7, 8, 35, 13, 49, 24, 28, come on, multiplier, 47, 4, 16, 48, 43, last row, 30, 23, 21, 2, and a 22. All right, we got 2 more to go, and got these at a 7-Eleven. I've got tickets number 36 and 37. All right, let's find something nice on one of these 2 tickets. What do we got here? All right. Let's find a big multiplier. 3, 37, 11, 30, and a 2. 35, 34, 4, 23, and a 42. 26, 28, 8, 47, and a 13, 36, 38, 18, 17, 25, let's find something with last row. Hey, we've got a win, 11, all right, we're not gonna bust. 44, anything else? 20, 16, oh, 2, we got 2 matching 11s, great. Well, let's go over and try 37 and see if we can't get back-to-back winners on it here. I've gotten back-to-back on this one time. Let's see if we can do it again. All right. 35, 46, 12, 25, and 11. 47, 44, 33, 2, and 45. Where are you, multiplier? 4, 39, 13, 29, 36, 38. Come on, give us one. Hey, we got back-to-back winners. Cool. All right. 30, 8. Oh, got 2 matches. 21 and an 18. All right, well, let's see what we got here. We'll do this one first. So we got 12 and a 25. Let's see what we have underneath that. 12 and a 25. So we've got 10, and under the 25, we've got 10. So we got a $20 winner on that one. Well, we know we're going to at least break even. That's pretty cool. And we got 2 matching 11s, unless it's something more than 10 and 10. Let's come on, something big. We've got 10 and we've got 10. So we got $40 a break-even session. Not too bad. Well, guys, hope you enjoy it. Y'all have a great and safe 4th of July, and we'll talk to you later. Hey, y'all, after I finished the video, I thought of something really fun to do with these 2 losing tickets. We're going to make these tickets explode. All right, guys, well, stay tuned for part 2 coming up shortly.